Hey everybody, welcome back to The Marketect. Today, I'm tackling one of the most powerful sets in the LEGO universe. It is the Infinity Gauntlet. 6 stones, 1 iconic glove, and a ton of tiny little pieces. Will they all snap together perfectly? Will I need the time stone to redo a few steps? Let's find out. Stick around. All right, everybody, here you can see I got all the parts laid out. We got our instruction booklet ready to go. Let's get building. All right, everybody, check this out. This is just epic. Look at this. You can feel the power just sitting here. It is crazy. Look, we've got all the Infinity Stones here. We've got the Time Stone. We've got the Mind Stone here. Power. You've got the Space, Reality, and the Soul Stone there. This is just... there are no words here. You can move these fingers. You can place the hand in any position. You can even try to recreate that snap. Comes with the descriptive nameplate here. The detail is just crazy. Take a look at the back. You can see the detail in the back of the hand here. It is just... I'm really at a loss for words. This is just so amazing, and it was such a fun build. 590 pieces. And trust me, they were small pieces. Just very, very delicate and intricate build. So much fun, and of course, it always helps to watch the Marvel movies when you're putting stuff like this together. So go ahead and give this one a chance if you love Marvel. And let me know in the comments if you already have it, or if you're going to pick it up, and what your thoughts are. Well, that was a snap. Sorry, I had to get that last crack in there. So anyway, we are done with the Infinity Gauntlet, and it is just sheer power in Lego form. This is going to make a great addition to my collection, which I will show you in an upcoming video. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And again, as always, even if you didn't like this video, pretend you did and give me that like and subscribe anyway. Until next time, keep building, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, everybody.